Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to throw an 8-foot cast net. First things first, you want to take this little loop that always comes at the top of your net. You want to take it like this, and you're going to take this little part of the thing, you're going to go through like that until you got a big circle. You're going to take that circle and you'll put it over your wrist, and you're going to pull tightly till it starts to hurt your wrist a little bit. Then you take the rope and you make big loops, just like this, all the way until you reach the top of your net. Then you grab this yellow piece, which is called the horn, and you bring it up just like this. Then you want to grab the net about waist high. You want to grab it. Then you're going to put this piece of lead in your mouth. And then you're going to throw it like a bird once you grab that second piece of lead. Try it out. Grab this piece of lead. Perfect pancake. Alright everybody, I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe.